Mommy squished a bug, so Gina was just not having that.
Yeah. She's mad at me.
We found a lot of salamanders. Mommy caught a few.
I know. I'm sorry I squished the bug.
When I wake up tomorrow, I don't wanna be found in the shallow. All my life I waited for this. I'm rolling out to deep water. I will never be the same. Deep water.
Hey friends, we decided to sell all our stuff. We're hitting the road and we want you to join us on our one-of-a-kind life.
Very soon, this will be us.
Yeah, baby.
Of course, ours will not be that nice.
On the inside it will.
Inside will be awesome.
Let's be brave. It's all love needs to fuel the fire of you.
So, if you're ever lost in the woods and you need help, just take an acorn, cut out a little groove, and then you use it as a whistle. Hopefully you have enough rations to last you until you get it working. Come on!
Oh, God, Sophie! How? Ow!
Oh my goodness.
How?
Language coming out of this one.
Delta!
Where are we going to keep these words? Feels like you can do it.
Keep going! Keep going!
I'm not giving up on us. Take a hold of our desire. I'm not giving up just yet. Turn a spark to wildfire. I'm standing, I'm shaking. I'm not giving up just yet. No, baby, you and me are wild.
A salamander!
Salamander, let me see. Alright, let's let it go. Come down here.
Look how fast they can go. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, you got a salamander?
Oh,
Awesome.
whoa! Woo!
Where you are is part of me.
We can just say that the entire way
I'm
back
not
down.
giving up on love. Baby, you and me wildfire.
What the heck?
Just yet. Baby, you and me wildfire. I'm standing, I'm shaking. I'm not giving up just yet. Baby, you and me wildfire. Baby, you and me wildfire.
Look, there's a bug. It's alive.
Stuck in the plexi.
Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah. Sit down.
I'm sorry.
Just sit now.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you took it now, Mom.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's sit now.
I give up. I'm dead.